Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download apps on your Windows 11 computer, and this is very easy to do. Let's go on down to the search window right here, and then type in Store, just like this, and go to the Microsoft Store. Now, most of the times when I open something up that I enjoy going to, I like to pin it to the taskbar. So if I go down to the Microsoft Store icon right here, I can right click on it, and then go to Pin to Taskbar. And I can always see it on the bottom of my screen. Now, this is the Microsoft Store where we can download games or applications to our computer. Now, if you go on over to apps right here, you can see the top free apps, essential apps like TikTok. Then we have Snapchat right here. Then we have Zoom, Microsoft Teams. So you can scroll through here. And then we also have games where we can get Roblox, Minecraft. Now, if you do purchase something, you can go on over to the library and then look at your apps, games, movies, and stuff under here. So just scroll through the Microsoft Store and download an application you want to go ahead and get. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.